If it's ugly and comfortable, I'm right there. That's my sweet spot. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today I'm coming to you looking like one of your grandma's velvet velour wingback chairs. Did anybody else's grandma have those, or is that just like a specifically all of my grandmothers? Two of them. They all just had peach colored velour wingbacks. Oh no. Anyway, I'm very excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by FabFitFun. Today we are going to be getting into the winter 2019 box, which I'm really jazzed about. Cue the jazz hands. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription that offers full-size beauty, wellness, fashion, and lifestyle items. Each box that you receive 4 times a year is $49.99, but if you would like to use my code AR10, you will get $10 off your very first box. FabFitFun now lets you customize a lot of the items inside of your box, so today I'm going to show you guys what I got in mine. Very excited about that. Oh good! So this is the box right here, a beautiful, lovely winter scene. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get on into this box. For some reason, the only scissors I can find are like the smallest ones in existence. These are lash scissors. Oh my. The first little thing we have here is a magazine that'll come every single season. It'll tell you all about the items inside of the box, plus have some articles and things. Oh, a giveaway to the Palm Beach. Oh, I'm already really excited. So the first thing in here is something I desperately need because I hate washing brushes more than anything. Well, maybe not more than anything, but it's not fun. This is the Vera Mona color switch. I've seen people use this forever. I've had so many recommendations of people saying, hey, you need this, stop using those dirty brushes. And now I finally have one, which I'm very excited about. Oh, so spongy. So basically it's this like super coarse foam on the inside of this tin, which does come with a lid, I think. Yeah. And you just open it up and swirl your brush around in there, so while you're doing eye looks and you don't have many clean brushes, you can switch between colors super easily. So that I'm very excited about. Oh, next up in here we have a little piece of jewelry. So this is the Adore, available at Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom's. Oh, very fancy. This has, oh my gosh, a Swarovski. I don't think I've ever had anything with a Swarovski crystal before. This is a very just like simple rose gold little bracelet with a hoop, and then right there is the Swarovski crystal that's embedded in it. There's almost no chance of me actually getting this on me without having to use my teeth. Maybe if I just put it on the last loop and just like cram my hand into it. There, that'll do. Maybe actually take the plastic off. Okay, so there is what it looks like on the wrist. It's really pretty. I like that it's rose gold. That's like one of my favorite tones of metal. On the end here, there's like a little dangling A, which I'm guessing is for like Adore, but my name also begins with an A, so we're just gonna go with that. I think it's a really pretty piece. The circle very nicely accents That's a bad joke. I'm probably not gonna put that in there. I was gonna say the circle works perfectly right now because it accents my ringworm, but that's a bad joke. Anyway, I think this is really cute. Just a nice like little minimal bracelet. Ooh, okay, next up here we have another makeup eraser, which I could definitely use. I just got one of these in another subscription box and I think I've already ruined it because I wiped off glitter and now it's forever permanently embedded in the little fibers. But this is a full-size original makeup eraser. Very excited about this. It says these can last up for 3 to 5 years, and honestly, they make taking your makeup off just so easy. I hate washing my face, especially when I have a lot of makeup on, and these just really erase it. They named it aptly because they really do just erase it about immediately. So this is really nice, and I think these on their own are like 20 bucks, so there's like almost half the price of your box right there. Okay, so the next thing we have here is from Cusio Somatology. I'm sorry, I'm really giggly today. This is, I'm assuming, the supposedly yoga cleaner, and I'm assuming they mean like yoga. Like, oh, it's yoga, it's relaxing, but all I can picture is yoga. This is supposed to be the Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash with lavender oil in it. Very relaxing and calming. Probably no screaming involved. That smells really nice. It does smell very relaxing and calming. A very good lavender scent to it. This would be nice to like put in the shower or even like set on your sink for a hand soap. It smells very good. Okay, next Next up here we have something from Dry Bar. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangling Spray. This has biotin, vitamin B, and C. It has a UV blocker. It's lightweight and it's supposed to protect your hair from heat. So this has a whole bunch of stuff going on with it. It says it protects up to 450 degrees. I think my hair would just literally melt if I tried to put anything 450 degrees on it. I used to back in the day. I had that cheese straightener cranked all the way up to high, just straightening my hair until like steam was coming out. Can't do that anymore. Gotta protect the 7 hairs I have left on my head. This is the best shrink wrap thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Oh, I expected it to smell a little bit different than that, but it has kind of like an herbally scent to it. It smells really good. I like it. Okay, so next up here we have something which just looks absolutely adorable. This is an eyeshadow palette. It's called Proof is in the Puddin' from Beauty Bakery. It looks like we have some delicious banana pudding going on here. My aunt makes some bomb diggity banana pudding. The shades in here are really nice. This can make it a perfect like everyday palette. Right off the bat, I'm seeing like a nice transition shade, a nice outer corner shade, and then some shimmers. So this would be a super easy palette to use just for every day. Okay, so there's all sorts of different names of puddings in here. Rice pudding, which I've never had. Bread pudding, which I've also never had. Mango pudding, which I've also never had. But this is a really cute little palette and I think, oh, I thought these had faces. They're just bananas. Alright you guys, I have saved what I personally think is the best 2 things for last. I'm so ready to get cozy. So the next thing we have here is this. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux. Oh, they're a supporter of the Humane Society. That makes me really happy. I spend a lot of time looking at the Humane Society website, I gotta tell you. I can't believe I'm not a crazy cat lady yet. Oh my gosh. They certainly know how to wrap stuff. If you gave me $1,000, I couldn't get this blanket back to looking like this. It wouldn't happen. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is incredibly fluffy, incredibly soft. Ooh, I like this a lot. It feels so good. I really like the color of this blanket as well. It's kind of like a creamy off-white. This is super cute, super soft. Very excited about this. I'm gonna be moving into my new house soon and I say soon, it probably won't be that soon, but I'm gonna try. And I really am looking forward to like decorating things. I want things to feel like very soft and cozy and homey. So this is gonna go absolutely perfect in there. I cannot wait. And then last but not least, something I am probably overly excited about. It's a pair of fuzzy slippers. I'm very excited. If you guys can't tell, I choose comfort over just about everything. Fashion, yeah, namely fashion. If it's cute but uncomfortable, likely not gonna wear it. If it's ugly and comfortable, I'm right there. That's my sweet spot. However, I must say, I think these are pretty cute. Would it be unacceptable for me to wear these outside? So these are from the brand PJ Salvage. It has kind of like this knitted like sweater texture here on the top with some fuzzy little fur on the inside. The tag, for some reason, has just like an adorable little puppy on it. I approve. Oh, yes. The last time I had a pair of house shoes, I actually ended up falling down the stairs in them 2 different times because the bottoms are really slick, but these have like a nice like grippy bottom that I think is gonna help me not fall down the stairs. And that's not a joke either. I literally fell down the stairs twice. 2 separate times. Alright you guys, so that was everything in the box. We got fuzz flying around a little bit. I personally am really excited about like pretty much everything in this box. I think that blanket is awesome. So excited to scoot around the house in those little house shoes. The palette is super cute. The makeup eraser and the color switch I think I'm gonna get a ton of use out of. So for me, this box is really nice. Let me see if I can get y'all some pricing here so we can see the full size value of this box. The magazine will also show you all of the options that you could have selected from, and there are a bunch in here, but I'm just going to tell you guys the total value of my box. Alright, so I got the Unhide Little Marshmallow. That's the name of the blanket. It's the little marshmallow. Stay cozy all winter long with this faux fur blanket for $65. I also received the PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers, which are $45. The Adore by Swarovski bracelet, which is $39. The Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette, which is $38. The original makeup eraser for $20. The Dry Bar Pep Rally for $23. And the Veramona color switch for $16.99. Oh, and then I also got the Cusio Somatology Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, which is $39.95. I might take that back. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on my sink to wash my hands with. That's a little bit too fancy for some hand soap. That'll probably go into like my shower, my bath, like when I am taking a bath, something nice to relax with. So my total retail value for this box came to $286.94. I think I did the math right, but one can never be too sure. But either way, that is definitely over the $200 value that they promised for each box. And I personally think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of the items in this box. So I am very happy with my winter box, but I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know what you think about this box down below in the comments. And again, if you've never received FabFitFun before and you want to get your box for $10 off, you can use my code AR10 at checkout and then get that $10 off your very first box to see if you enjoy it. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. And again, thank you very much to FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!